Short on time but need a visa? A visa on arrival, VOA, can work if you know the rules before you fly. It's not universal, and the biggest gotcha is that many countries require you to do part of the process online before you board. Here's a clear step-by-step guide so you avoid airport surprises and long lines. What a VOA is and isn't. A VOA lets you receive your visa after you land, usually at a designated counter before immigration. It's different from an e-visa, which is fully approved online before you travel. Some destinations have replaced or limited VOA and now prefer e-visas, so always verify the latest rules for your nationality and your exact airport of arrival. 1. Check eligibility first. Visit the official immigration or foreign ministry website for your destination and confirm A. Your nationality qualifies, B. The entry point you're using offers VOA, often only major international airports, and C. The permitted length of stay and number of entries. Also confirm airline policies. Carriers may deny boarding if you lack required pre-approval. 2. Pre-approval letter, if required. Countries that keep VOA often require an online pre-approval or invitation letter. Apply only via official portals or reputable providers recommended by your embassy. Ensure every detail, name order, passport number, dates, exactly matches your passport. Print the approval and keep a digital copy. 3. Prepare documents. Bring a passport with at least 6 months validity and blank pages, 1 to 2 passport photos to the specified size, your printed approval letter, if applicable, a completed arrival or visa form, many airlines hand these out, proof of onward or return travel, an address for your first night, and travel insurance if the country mandates it. Carry the visa fee in cash, often accepted in local currency or USD. ATMs or card payments may be unavailable at the visa desk. 4. At the airport. On landing, go to the Visa on Arrival desk before immigration. Submit your passport, photos or photo, approval letter, and form. Pay the stamping fee, then wait while the visa is processed and affixed. Processing can take 20 to 90 minutes depending on traffic. Keep receipts and double-check the visa's dates and entries before you leave the counter. 5. Common pitfalls to avoid. Arriving at a border that doesn't issue VOA, land and sea crossings often don't. Using a scam website that looks official but isn't. Typos on the approval letter. Not bringing cash or photos. Assuming a VOA guarantees entry, immigration officers can still refuse if documents or funds are insufficient. Overstaying, even a day, can cause fines or future refusals. 6. Fees, validity, and extensions. VOA fees vary by country and whether the visa is single or multiple entry. Some destinations allow you to extend in-country at an immigration office. Others require you to exit and re-enter. Read the fine print on maximum stay, re-entry rules, and whether weekends or holidays affect office hours. 7. When an e-visa or embassy visa is smarter. If your trip is during a peak season, if you need multiple entries, or if your nationality has tighter checks, applying for an e-visa or at a consulate can be smoother. For example, travelers to Vietnam increasingly use the official e-visa portal rather than relying on VOA because it reduces airport time and uncertainty. Quick checklist before you fly. Confirm eligibility and entry point, secure any required pre-approval, print everything, bring photos and cash, know your first address, carry proof of onward travel, and arrive early to allow for processing. Follow these steps, and VOA can be a practical, low-stress option, not a last-minute gamble.